kids. Welcome to Storytime with Miss Sharon. Today, we're going to read about magic. Our first book is Hey Presto, written by Nadia Sharon and published by Knott's Book for Young Readers. Presto and Monty didn't have much, but it didn't matter. They were best friends and they were happy. Monty was good at singing, eating ice cream, and making extremely silly faces, while Presto had a most unusual talent. With the help of a battered old hat and a slightly wonky wand, he was a brilliant magician. One day, Monty saw a poster that made him very excited. "We'll put on a magic show and become famous," he hooted. So they packed up Presto's battered old hat and slightly wonky wand and set off. When they got there, the carnival was quite busy. "I know," said Monty, bouncing up and down. "We should take turns being the star of the show. I'll go first." So Monty shouted in his loudest voice, "Roll up, roll up." Presto hid behind him and made sure all the magic tricks worked perfectly. Presto waited patiently for his turn to be on stage, but it never seemed to happen. It was Monty's turn night after night after night. The magic show was a great success, but something odd had happened to Monty. He had become bossy. He's over here saying, "Hey Presto, I want a mustache, an extra twirly one." Or, "Hey Presto, I just can't work with this bunny. Can you get me a new one?" Rude and demanding. "Hey Presto, get me chocolate ice cream with extra sprinkles, now." Presto wasn't enjoying himself anymore. Soon, thanks to Presto, Monty was famous. He was offered a big bag of money to put on the biggest magic show ever. It would even be on television. "I'm going to be a superstar," said Monty. "And this time, Presto, you'll even get to be on stage." But Presto didn't want to be sawn in half, especially by Monty. He picked up his battered old hat and his slightly wonky wand and left the carnival for good. Aw, he looked sad. The next day, it was showtime. "Hey, Presto," Monty called, but his friend had disappeared. Said Monty. "Well, I'm the star around here. Who needs him anyway?" He bought himself a shiny new hat, found a very fancy magic wand, and quickly read a book about magic tricks. Back at home, Presto wondered if Monty needed him after all. But Monty's show didn't get off to a good start. "Well, is this your card?" the penguin said. "Nope." And it went from bad, oh, broke the glass, oh, look at that one. And then he's saying, "Come on, bunny," to worse. Then you got all of these bunnies. Presto couldn't bear it any longer. Monty knew his time as a famous magician was over, but that wasn't why he felt sad. "Oh, Presto," said Monty, "I wish you were here. What a terrible friend I've been." Oh, now Monty is sad. But then, "Hey, Presto!" Presto finally made his entrance. The crowd went wild. "Oh, Presto," said Monty, "I've missed you so much." Presto gave a contented purr, and Monty promised that things would be different from now on. And that's how the friends cooked up a brand new act and found that together they put on the perfect show. The end. That was a really good book. Now we're going to sing Itsy Bitsy Spider. You guys ready? Get your spiders ready. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to show you my little magic trick. This is adapted from a book called Little Rabbit's Color Book by Alan Baker. Are you ready? This is Little White Rabbit. One day he found 1, 2, 3 pails of paint. They were yellow, blue, and red. "Ooh, this yellow one looks like the sun," said Rabbit. "I think I'll take a quick dip." Hop, swish, 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 swish. Now she is yellow and bright as the sun. What about red?" said Rabbit. Hop, swish, 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 swish. What's this? She's an orange rabbit. Look, red and yellow make orange. Time for a wash. Hop, scrub, 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 scrub. Now let's try out red on its own. Hop, swish, 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 swish. Now she's red. Hot, sizzling red. But the blue looks so cool. Hop, swish, 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 swish. Oh, now she's a purple rabbit. Look, red and blue make purple. Princess Purple Rabbit needs to take a shower. Hop, swish, 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 swish. Oh, blue will do, said Rabbit. Hop, swish, 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 swish. Ooh, icy blue. Brr. How warm yellow looks. Hop, swish, 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 swish. Now she's green. Look, blue and yellow make green. Oh, time for another wash. But, oh dear, there's no more water. There's just a little bit of red paint. Now, what would happen? Hop, swish, 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 swish. Hooray! Now she's brown. Lovely warm brown. Look, blue, yellow, and red all together make brown. And brown is just right for me, said Rabbit. The end. What do you think? Did you guys see the magic in that? That was another cute story. Now, our next book is Monty and Millie, The Totally Amazing Magic Trip by Tracy Corduroy and written by Tim Warnes and published by The Good Books. Everything Monty did, Millie did too. If Monty roared, Millie roared. When Monty painted, so did Millie. And whenever Monty curled up with his favorite book, guess who always showed up with hers? Probably Millie. Then Monty got a magic set. 1 wand, 1 cape, 1 book, 1 hat. No, Millie, he said, it's meant just for 1. She took it pretty well, considering. Uh-oh, I don't think she took it that well. Monty began with a vanishing trick. Shazam, he cried. Kazim, kazoom. But it was no good. Croaky just wouldn't disappear. Oh, there's Croaky. Actually, piped up Millie, magicians always shut their eyes. Monty shut his eyes. Kazam, he said. He peeped through his fingers. He'd done it! Whoopee, yelled Monty. I'm magic! But something just didn't feel quite right. Millie, cried Monty. She says, uh-oh. His sister sniffed. I only wanted to help. Well, don't, Monty scowled. But then Monty remembered all the best magicians had helpers. Okay, he said, you can help, but no taking over. Me? Squeaked Millie. But I never take over. Ever. Oh, there she goes. She's got his hat, his book, and his magic wand. Millie tried not to take over. She tried again and again until, whoops. That's it, yelled Monty. I wish you'd turn into a warty toad and then disappear. Uh-oh. For the rest of the day, Monty practiced his magic without Millie's help. He practiced on his tadpole, who didn't complain. Then he practiced on Grandma, who did. Sometimes things went a little bit wrong, but Monty didn't care. Being by himself for once was fun. Monty, said Dad at snack time, where's Millie? Have you seen her? Monty checked behind his back, then around his legs. Millie wasn't in any of her usual places. Nope, he shrugged. No Millie. Then he gasped. Oh no! I think I've turned my sister into a warty toad. Monty sniffed. I didn't mean it. I really love her. Surprise! Squeaked Millie, shooting out from under the table. She gave Monty a huge Millie hug. You didn't magic me, really silly, she giggled. Later, when Monty snuggled into bed, Millie snuggled in too. Monty, she said sleepily, you are magic, I'm sure. Really? Grinned Monty. Very really, Millie grinned back. She closed her eyes and he closed his. Think of a huge fluffy bunny, she yawned, and I bet you'll magic it up. I wish, smiled Monty, drifting off to sleep. The wand slipped from his fingers and kaboom! Maybe Monty really is magic. The end. That was another good magic book. I really liked that one. Now, do you guys want to see my magic trick? Do you want to see me pull a rabbit out of my hat? Can you say the magic words with me? Abracadabra. Oh, and there's the rabbit. You can stop by the library and get your own rabbit in a hat craft to make. You can come through. You can pick it up at the drive-thru too if you want. Now we're gonna sing our ABC song. Are you guys ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, HIJKLMNOP QRSTUV WX, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, everybody. Now we're gonna end it with Wheels on the Bus. I know everybody likes Wheels on the Bus. Are you guys ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town. The babies on the bus say, wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus say, wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus say, shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus say, shh, 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 all through the town. Good job, everybody. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.